Carb heat on. It's going to be a full stop, right?
We're going to have to go back pretty soon because we're just doing touch and go and go back because we are...
okay, flaps 10. Get up a little bit. I'm going to go up just a little bit. I'm a little low.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 5010 Delta. We're on final, but we're going to go around. Cleveland.
Angelina County, Cessna 9568 Lima is on a left base for 15, Angelina County. Flaps 20. Looking for the traffic. I'm a little high, so I'm going to go up just a little bit. All right.
Said you're high?
Yeah, I want to go up a little higher. I like to be a little higher than lower.
Yeah.
Looking for traffic. Angelina County, Cessna 9568 Lima is turning final for 15, Angelina County. Pull the power back. I know I'm high, that's my chassis. 230.
Look at your airspeed.
Uh-huh.
We're way past 85 knots.
Uh-huh.
That's not good.
Okay. I'm going to come up and then pitch down. I'm on a glide slope now. Looking down the runway. Okay. Get that nose off. Carb heat off. Flaps up. Airspeed alive. Maintain runway center line.